What is up, everybody? This is Jamie at Twisted Angle Outdoors. We are going to try a little bit of magnet fishing today. Never done it before, but follow along for the adventure. First, hit the subscribe button and the notification icon. That way you can get all of my latest content. But as for now, follow along for the adventure. Didn't find much, but it's not in the water anymore. I picked up all this trash sitting on the side of the bank. Thanks for joining along on the adventure today, everybody. Had a great time for the first time magnet fishing. Didn't find any treasures, but I did get a bunch of stuff out of the water that shouldn't be in there. Picked up a bunch of trash that people left around. You know, always leave it cleaner when you leave than when you got there. That's how you should be. Pick up after yourself. We'll get better at this as time goes on. We'll find a lot cooler things. But of course, as always, hit the subscribe button, follow along, hit the icon so you can get the notifications when a new video drops. Until then, be nice to each other and have a good day.